Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Embark on a visual journey of artistic expression with our latest videos showcasing the avant-garde world of modern 3D wallpaper design ideas. From captivating geometric patterns to immersive textured landscape, explore a curated collection that transcends traditional wall decor. Immerse yourself in the depth and dimensions these wallpaper bring to your space. Dive into the details of contemporary layouts, innovative textures, and striking visual illusions that promise to redefine your interior aesthetics. Elevate your walls to new heights with these inspiring 3D wallpaper ideas and transform your space into a realm of modern artistry. Certainly, here a detailed exploration of modern 3D wallpaper designs. Number 1. Option for geometric patterns that create a sense of depth and symmetry to your walls. 3D cubes, hexagon, or intricate shapes add a modern and sophisticated touch. Number 2. Embrace the natural and industrial feel by choosing 3D wallpapers that mimic the textures of stone or exposed bricks. This brings an element of enthusiasm and rugged charm to your space. Number 2. Embrace the natural and industrial feel by choosing 3D wallpapers that mimic the textures of stone or exposed bricks. This brings an element of authenticity and rugged charm to your space. Number 3. Explore 3D floral wallpapers that showcase blooms seamlessly leaping off the walls. This creates a visually stunning and dynamic atmosphere, adding a touch of nature to your interiors. Number 4. Select abstract 3D design that play with shapes, colors, and perspectives. These wallpapers serve as captivating focal points, sparking conversations and intrigue among guests. Number 5. Option for wallpapers that create illusions of depth, making your walls appear as if they extend into another dimension. This effect can dramatically enhance the precise size of your space. I hope this video is very useful for you. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel.